Hi, welcome to the 5th tutorial of Tornado Alice. Today I'm going to teach you how to arm the Quadrotor using an Arduino. So in tutorial 2, Sen Kang has discussed with you how we get the controller sticks value using the Arduino. And after some corrections, we have found the actual values for the RC controller and also the center values for the roll, pitch and yaw. Because during the flight, usually the roll, pitch and yaw will be in the center position, which is 15, 13 on the whiteboard. Okay, so using the controller, this is how you arm the Quadrotor. You put at the extreme ends of the 4 sticks. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate to you how are we going to arm the Quadrotor using the Arduino. These are my friends. Okay, first step, on the RC controller. Okay, step 2, put in the battery. Step 3, connect the Arduino. Okay, now I'm going to run the serial monitor. Okay, I programmed this Quadrotor in a way such that when I press P, the Quadrotor will be armed. So now I'll press P and enter. Okay, so now it's armed and it's actually technically hovering in the sky. So now I'm going to adjust the throttle up and throttle down. That was throttle up and now throttle down. Do a yaw to the left. Yaw to the left. And maybe a pitch up. And when I press X, the Quadrotor should turn off. And that's it for today's tutorial. See you in the next video.